The Real Estate Forums Club is bringing clarity to the Canadian commercial real estate market through education, innovation, and human connection. Social distancing has made it difficult to connect with our colleagues and valued clients. Our mission to connect people across the industry is now more important than ever. No matter the challenge, no matter the hurdle, and no matter the stakes. We are stronger, more resilient, and successful when we are informed and connected. Real Estate Forums Club facilitates connections, taking part in live conversations to stay up to date on data, issues, opportunities, and solutions that impact your day-to-day. Having access to thought leaders and executives across Canada to keep you informed on market trends. Creating, establishing, and growing all the important industry relationships that drive your business in one place. Ref Club is a portal to a world of market intelligence built on over 30 years of research and experience. It's a gateway to your investment and business development opportunities. And it will allow spontaneous interactions with industry members, which are essential to growing your business, team, and overall success. Visit the Ref Club website. The process is easy, and the interface is simple yet powerful. Take advantage of over 20 worthwhile membership benefits. Ref Club, connecting owners, investors, developers, lenders, brokers, innovators, and executives in one convenient location. Connecting the Canadian real estate market.